I'm Elliot Hill, the executive chef here at the Grosvenor Hotel and restaurant Arkle. Well, I chose Chester Grosvenor. I'm originally a Cestrian. I'm from Chester, and even when I was younger, I used to meet my grandma with my mum outside the front door before we went to the cafe in the market to have like egg on toast. But it was really like, wow, that's the Chester Grosvenor. It's an iconic building. It's an iconic hotel, and it's a part of Chester and Chester's history. So I was always going to apply for this. I was always going to come for the Chester Grosvenor, and to be part of that history and to be part of the person who will hand on the baton to the next is phenomenally unique for someone from Chester, and I think that's really important. That's why I applied here. So the hotel employs over 180 people. 27 of those are chefs, as well as 7 or 8 kitchen porters as well. Front of house depends on which outlet we have. In Arkle we have 9 or 10 front of house. In the brasserie it's a bit of a beast, so we have 25, 30 front of house members because it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, afternoon. And then upstairs it depends on the event, so some weeks we might not have an event and some weeks we might have 4. So it can be full upstairs sometimes with casuals, or it can be empty. So it all depends on the business levels really. So the food culture is led by the team and by the produce. So without the produce you're nothing, so you have to start with the produce anyway. If you're coming up with a dish idea and it's not in season, then it's not a dish idea, it can't go on. The team, with my sous chefs Will and Neil, and my pastry chef Jordan, as well as a couple of others, James as well, they're very excited, they're very passionate. We're always bouncing ideas, so we have menu boards in the whiteboards in the kitchen. One side I've got the brasserie, the other side I've got Arkle. It'll have the menus on there, and we look at what's coming into season, look at the dish ideas. Some chefs might have the dish ideas and I say, right, run with it, but take that out or put that on. Sometimes they come up with complete dishes that they're phenomenal, sometimes they need help. We want everyone to feel welcome, but they need to remember the history and the presence of where we're at. We wanted to take that slight formality away from the service, and what we've done now is a lot more smile, a lot more personal service. And they were nominated for an AA Food Service Award last year, which was phenomenal as well. And it's the same with the food. We're all humble chefs, so some of the dishes will have some very luxury ingredients on it, but they'll be coupled together with really humble ingredients that everyone would notice. We want everyone to feel welcome, and it's the idea that it's not just for an elite anymore. This is somewhere you can have an occasion, or somewhere you just come for a really, really good dinner, and hopefully you'll really, really enjoy it. And that's the idea, I think. And I don't think success can be measured in just one outlet. It's not just about bums on seats, it's not just about accolades, it's not just about looking good. It's about the whole package. It's about having customers happy, it's about having your staff happy. It's about having a fantastic GP and a fantastic financials. It's about having a beautifully clean kitchen. It's all of it. It's not so good just to succeed in one aspect of it. You can succeed in one and fail in the rest. We want the whole package, and we want perfection. It's not just perfection on the plate, it's perfection before the plate. I don't think you can get perfection on the plate anymore without actually having everything else in place to do it. So that's what success looks like for us here, and that's what we're aiming to do every day, to make the whole experience from employees to guests perfect, and that's what we try and do.